Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y52 5G, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down a little bit and find the sound. Now we have to scroll down again, and as you can see here we've got the ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the first option, let's say, but we can also change it for the notifications and the alarms. So let me begin with the phone ringtone. Let me tap on it, and as you can see we've just been transferred to the full list of all available defaultly installed ringtones from which you can choose. What's more, at the very top of the list we've got the custom ringtone option, so after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own files. If you will have any compatible ones, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back and let me pick something from the system ringtones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it, and you should be able to listen it. Okay, so as you can see you can check all of the ringtones, and if you are happy with your choice, all you have to do is to simply make sure that this option is marked, of course the option you'd like to set, and get back. And as you can see it is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about any incoming call. Of course it will work the same with the notifications and the alarms. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your VIVO Y52 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.